Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn how to set the swipe gesture to mark chats as read on Telegram. This is a small feature, but it can save you a lot of time when managing your conversations. If you receive a lot of messages daily, this setting helps you stay organized without opening every single chat. Let's go step by step and get it set up. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the side panel where all your main options are located. From there, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize your experience. Inside Settings, find and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Now, scroll down until you see an option called Chat List Swipe Gesture. This is the feature that allows you to choose what happens when you swipe on a chat in your list. Tap on Chat List Swipe Gesture, and you'll see a few options. Here, select Read. That's it. From now on, whenever you swipe on a chat in your chat list, it will instantly be marked as read without opening the conversation. This is especially useful if you want to clear notifications quickly or manage multiple chats more efficiently. If you ever want to change it back or try a different swipe action, you can always return to the same setting and choose another option. And that's how you set the swipe gesture to read chats on Telegram. Simple, quick, and very useful.